Desires of married women. Understanding the desires of married women, or anyone in a committed relationship, is a complex and highly individualized matter. People's desires, whether emotional or physical, can vary widely based on their personal preferences, experiences, and the dynamics of their relationships. While it's impossible to provide a comprehensive overview of the desires of all married women, we can discuss some common themes and considerations that may help shed light on this topic. Emotional connection. Many married women desire a deep emotional connection with their spouses. This includes feeling understood, valued, and emotionally supported. They may long for open and honest communication, trust, and intimacy in the form of sharing thoughts and feelings. Intimacy and affection. Physical intimacy and affection are often important desires in a marriage. This can range from cuddling and kissing to sexual intimacy. A fulfilling sex life is a significant desire for many married couples, although preferences and desires within this realm can differ greatly. Quality time. Spending quality time with their spouses is a common desire among married women. This includes engaging in activities they both enjoy, going on dates, and creating memorable moments together. Appreciation and validation. Feeling appreciated and valued for their contributions and efforts in the relationship and the family is a fundamental desire for many married women. Compliments, recognition, and acknowledgement play a crucial role in meeting this desire. Autonomy and personal space. While closeness is essential, many women also desire personal autonomy and space. This allows them to pursue their interests, have time for self-care, and maintain a sense of individuality within the marriage. Shared responsibilities. Equitable sharing of responsibilities in the marriage, including household chores, childcare, and financial matters, is a desire for many married women. Fair distribution of these tasks can reduce stress and promote relationship satisfaction. Growth and personal development. A desire for personal growth and development is not limited to unmarried individuals. Many married women seek opportunities for learning, self-improvement, and pursuing their passions and goals. Mutual respect. Respect is a core desire in any relationship. Married women, like all partners, desire respect for their opinions, choices, and boundaries. This includes respect for their emotional and physical boundaries. Adventure and novelty. Seeking new experiences, adventures, and novelty in the relationship can be an important desire. These experiences can help maintain excitement and keep the relationship dynamic. Communication. Effective communication is a shared desire in a marriage. Many married women desire open and honest conversations, active listening, and the ability to express their thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment. Safety and security. Feeling safe and secure in the relationship is a fundamental desire. This includes financial stability, emotional safety, and trust in the spouse's commitment to the marriage. Romance and surprise. Keeping romance alive is a common desire. Married women often appreciate romantic gestures, surprises, and acts of love from their spouses. Respect for their career and ambitions. Many married women desire support and respect for their careers and ambitions. Encouragement to pursue professional goals and personal aspirations is important. It's essential to remember that every individual and relationship is unique. The desires of married women can vary greatly, and effective communication within the marriage is key to understanding and fulfilling these desires. Additionally, maintaining a healthy, balanced, and relationship requires continuous effort from both partners. Open and honest discussions about desires, expectations, and concerns can help create a fulfilling and lasting marriage.